Today is Tuesday. Warm welcome to all of you. I, Namita. Today I am going to continue the same chapter, Our Dresses. Today I will explain page number 27 based on states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Maharashtra. The question arises from this chapter is why do men wear safa? Answer is men wear safa to protect their heads from heat in hot climate area and in cold region. They use safa or cap to protect their head from cold and chilly airs. See the different type of safa or turban in different state. First picture is from Haryana. Second is from Punjab, known as Pagdi. Punjabi men used beautiful turban according to style and fashion. They also used to wear it according to their matching dresses. Third picture is from West Bengal and fourth picture is from Rajasthan. See the second para. Second para I am explaining. In this second para, we will study about the women dresses. Now these days, women are wearing dresses according to the fashion like salwar kameez, chudidar, kurta or jeans and t-shirt according to their comfort zone. Just now I have explained two para and I want to read this para again. In a state like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Maharashtra, men wear safa, turban to protect their heads from the hot sun. In Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, men wear woolen caps in winters. In second para, these days most girls can be seen in salwar kameez, chudidar, kurta or jeans and t-shirt. They find them comfortable. See the third para. Sari is worn all over India, but the style of wearing a sari and the materials used are different from place to place. You can name the state by looking at the style of wearing sari. Now I am explaining the para. Students, you know the sari is worn all over India, but the style of wearing sari and material are used different according to places. See the picture and the style of saris. Here three women are standing. First woman is Maharashtrian, second is Bengali and third is Gujarati. See the dressing sense of their saris. How they are wearing the beautiful saris in beautiful ways. Now come to fourth para. Fourth para, most Indian men wear trousers and jeans with shirts and coats. Men in cities and towns wear kurta pajama, dhoti, kurta and achkan for a special occasion like festival or marriage etc. In fourth para, here is written that common dresses of men are jeans, trousers, t-shirt, shirts and coats, and their traditional dresses are kurta, pajama, dhoti and achkan. Now come to last para. In last para, the pictures are shown of different states of brides and grooms. Brides and bridegrooms wear different types of dresses in different parts of India. Some pictures are shown here. First picture is from Gujarat, second picture is from Assam, third is from West Bengal and fourth is from Kashmir. Now in this last para, you have seen beautiful pictures of bride and grooms. And in your clips, you are also seen the beautiful pictures of bridal dresses. Now you come to your homework. Before giving the homeworks, I want to tell you one thing, that you read the paragraph and underline the words and learn the spelling. I am giving you few spellings, but you underline it, the hard ones, and learn it by heart. Like salwar kameez, churidar, kurta, jeans, t-shirt, comfortable, heads, woolen, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Maharashtra. Materials, sari, different, bride, grooms, like many words are in this page. I have given you 10 words. As example, learn and write the hard words in your CW copy. First word is traditional, second is comfortable, third is scarves, fourth is turban, fifth is bridegroom, sixth is materials, seven is occasion, eight is achkan, nine is trouser, and 10 is shawl. So please write it in a good way and in a good order. Last work is your fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks you will write in your CW copy. The first number is most Indian men wear trousers and jeans with shirt. Number 2, sari is worn all over India. Number 3, some dresses are linked with some occupation. Number 4, the dresses of the people depends on the climate of a place. Number 5, most schools children wear uniform. Students, you have seen different types of colors. The colorful words are your fill in the blanks. So when you will write these words, you will underline them. Now your chapter is not chapter, but your page number 27 is finished. I have explained it carefully and you will do the works carefully. So again, we will meet on Wednesday for your next SST class. Thank you and goodbye.